BLACK+DECKER 12-cup programmable coffee maker, white, CM1160 watts. QuickTouch Programming, easily program the 24-hour auto brew feature so you can wake up to a fresh pot of coffee. Digital controls with rubberized feel, large rubberized buttons give you full control of the coffee maker, and the easy red screen displays the clock, brew time, and programming options. Sneak a cup, this feature temporarily stops the flow of coffee so you can pour your first cup before brewing ends without making a mess. 2-hour auto shut-off for added safety and peace of mind with every use. Easy view water window. The front-facing window shows you the exact amount of water that will turn into coffee. Keep hot carafe plate. The non-stick carafe plate keeps coffee warm for an hour after brewing is complete. Note: cup equals approximately 5 ounces, varies by brewing technique. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.